I've ever had one of these before. At least not this specific one. This is nice. That's really nice. That's that bottom piece. So this. Upholstery device. To use this, but hopefully, since it's not brand new. They're usually pretty simple to put together. Can't really use that here. No, that's not right. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras. Oh wow. Yeah, you're right, it is low. Okay. That's still nice though. I like the red. Little burgundy color. It's like really pretty. And it seems to put this right in as well. That is interesting. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before. Okay. See, I would have liked that to have been a brush, but I think it'll still do just the same way. Just do like the same. It's a vacuum for it. A little vacuum. Pretty sure. Right. Oops, so don't mind me. Okay. I think it needs to pop right there. Okay, great. Now, this is the part I always get confused about. Does it matter which one that you put on there? Or can you do both? No, right? I don't think it matters. Although, I don't know. I gotta look on the little examples that they have. So I'll make sure I put it in right. That one doesn't seem to fit super well on there. I feel like this one goes on there a lot more simple. Yeah, that one fits right in. Ta-da! Oh, I just go into the inside. Looks like really pretty. Yeah, that's really good. It's nice. And then it comes with the filter. Actually, you know what? tip it out, but it's difficult. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm too scared. I'm gonna let you do that. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Nope, got it. Okay. And then